Right over in this app, I'm going to show you how you can get cheap data and cheap airtime for every of your online usage on this platform. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, I would advise you pay close attention to this platform, as you can actually use this platform to buy and resell data on this platform. So please help like this video and let's get started. Right over here, you can see buy and resell cheap data faster. We make data bundles more affordable for everyone. Start earning by reselling data using this particular platform. So when you come down here, you can see that they are reliable and they are fast support, fully automated, and this is the best platform for automated VTU services, fast delivery, and also simple to use. So I'm going to be taking you through on how you can purchase data from this platform and also use this platform to earn for yourself every single day. So what you want to do right now is to click the first link below the description of this video, and it's going to take you over to this interface. All you just need to do is to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you're going to be brought to this interface right here. You're going to be putting a unique username, an email address, a phone number, and also a 4-digit PIN. Please note that this 4-digit PIN will be requested from you anytime you want to purchase or buy anything from this platform. Then put in a password, confirm your password, then also come down here to click on sign up. And also I'll be leaving my referral code on the screen and in the pinned comment section or the description below this video. So once you've actually clicked on sign up, automatically you have created an account for yourself on this platform. And so right over here, you can see that you can purchase 1 gig of data for 279 naira, and also 2 gig of data for 558 naira, 3 gig of data for 837 naira, and also 10 gig of data for 2790 naira. So any of which you're going for, you just have to click on it, and you can see that you can input the mobile number you want to recharge and input that 4-digit PIN you were asked during registration. But before doing this, you will need to fund your account on this platform. Now to fund your account, all you just need to do is to head over to the home button. So once you head over to the home button, you're going to be seeing this first icon that says deposit. So you just have to click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, this interface is going to be shown to you. Kindly fill the form below and our system will generate your unique account number for you to send money to. Anytime you want to deposit, fund your wallet, NIN or BVN is required by CBN. We don't have access to your BVN or NIN, so be rest assured that your NIN or BVN is requested by the CBN. Okay, so after inputting your NIN or your BVN, you just have to come down here and click here to generate. So after you might have funded your wallet, the next thing for you to do is to go over the airtime or the data, depending on which of the services you want to go for. You can just come down here and click on MTN. As you can see right now, you are going to input the amount you want to recharge, the mobile number, and the 4-digit PIN. Then you continue. I'm not going to be getting any of this right now. I'm just using this to show you so you can understand how this platform works. So once you go back to your account, you can also check on your data. So once you click on data, you can also go for any of these services you want to go for. If you're going for Glow, you just have to tap on Glow. So once you tap on Glow, you can also see the services that Glow offers and the amount and the packages. So right now for the Glow, you can see that you can get 1 gig of data for 265 naira, valid for 30 days. So like I said earlier, if you're interested in making money with this platform, all you just need to do is to upgrade your account. To upgrade your account, you just have to come over to upgrade. Once you click on upgrade, it's going to take you over to this interface. So right now you can see you are about to upgrade your account to reseller / agent package on this platform. You will get discount on our product, and you will also get a free flyer with your business name on it to aid you in advertising. However, please note that you'll be charged a fee of 1,500 naira for the upgrade. You can see the values you'll be getting as a reseller or an agent of this platform. So you can actually use this platform as a side hustle to sell and resell data and earn for yourself every single day. So once you're interested in making money with this platform, all you just need to do is to come down here and click on upgrade to reseller once you've actually funded your account. And you can also earn some commission for yourself when you come over this refer icon, copy your affiliate link, then share with your friends. So once your friends start using this platform, you also earn some commission for yourself every single day. As you can see, refer more people to sign up with your referral link on this platform, and you get extra 500 naira once they upgrade to agent or reseller plan. So for everyone you refer on this platform that upgrades to the reseller account, you will get 500 naira instantly on this platform. You should now know how much you'll be getting for about 5 persons or 10 persons you refer to this platform. Also note that you can actually transfer your referral bonus to your main balance. What you just need to do is to come over this W2W transfer. So once you tap on it, you can see they said fill the form below to withdraw your bonus to your bank account as cash. So you can actually transfer the bonuses you have on this platform down to your main balance and straight to your account. Okay, so that is how this platform works. You can actually start by signing in with the link below the description or the pinned comment section and start earning daily for yourself without stress. This is a side hustle you will not want to miss. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I know you got a lot of value. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video. Keep winning.